Alright, so I want to walk you through how to remove a card or a pass from your Apple Wallet. So this is my Apple Wallet. This is a pass. If I were to click it and hit the three dots at the top, I could select remove pass. Down here, these are my expired passes. So if I wanted to delete them, I just click it and then select delete here at the bottom. And this is a debit card. So what you do is open this debit card, hit the more, hit card details, and then scroll all the way down to the bottom. And you see that option there? It says remove card. And that is how you'll remove a card from Apple Wallet. And I'm not going to do it because that's my card and I want to keep it there. So Um, yeah, that is how you're going to remove cards from your Apple Wallet. Hope it helps. If it does, like and subscribe. Thanks so much. Bye.